So this video is going to show you how to order a permit, a replacement permit, or simply move information into history. So just select the unit that you're looking to order a permit. You can simply come here and select order a permit, then you hit new permit, and you're able to put in the information here for the resident, add it to cart, and create that order for the resident. Just follow the steps. If it's a replacement permit, you would check the vehicle that you are looking to do a replacement permit for. Make sure it's an actual permit and not a temporary permit. You would simply come here, hit order replacement permit. You can edit their vehicle information for them, or you can have them do it through their account. It's really best practice to allow them to do it. You would then just hit OK, and that would put a new permit order in our queue. It would also allow you then, you'll see a new temporary permit. You'd be able to print their temporary permit for them, or again, you can have them do it themselves. If a resident got rid of the car, you can select the vehicle they got rid of, and you can simply hit move to history, and that vehicle then will be gone.